Nung una maingay kasi wala pa, pero nung nagkaroon ka, tsaka ka naman tumahimik.
Hey beautiful people, this is Pearl Hong and our question is,
I can still remember the time nung wala pa akong result talaga na masasabing result sa ginagawa kong career. Talagang minsan mauuna yung parang, okay, ito, I'm declaring this, ito yung gagawin ko and all. Pero eventually, you'll realize that darating yung point na parang hindi mo na kailangan sabihin dahil wala ka nang ipagmamayabang. Kumbaga, hindi mo na kailangan sabihin is because parang you don't need to broadcast. Okay na yan. Parang ganon. Because you're already full and you're already okay. And I can still remember those moments when I was starting. Talagang ganun pa. Siguro sabi nga talaga nila, kapag hindi pa puno yung laman ng baso, maingay. Pero pag ang laman ng baso ay puno, talagang bisan wala kang maririnig. And I'm so amazed about those people na alam mong, it's already full and hindi maingay. They're very calm, at peace, quiet. But when you take a look at them, talagang punong-puno yung baso nila. So when it comes to humility, for me, it's really needed. Lalo na when you get here, the more nga na mas parang nagiging successful ako sa buhay. Somehow, lalo kong nakikita na, wow, you've come so far, but mas lalo kang binibigyan ng humility ng buhay. Parang mas lalo mo siya na parang wala pa to, sobrang dami pa. It's because you'll be able to be aware kung ano yung, the bigger ocean na nakapaligid sa'yo. And for me, that's really my practice, that I always look forward into something that parang laging meron pa, and always remember that every success and results na binibigay sa'yo at sa akin, lagi kong iniisip na, ay binigay to, it's God-given gift. So, what God wants me to do with this gift? What God wants me to do with these results? Definitely, God wants you na ma-spread yan, ma-share, at maka-inspire. So doon ka magiging mas mabuting tao because you know that your results will be the magnifier and the spotlight of everything. Kahit ayaw mo mapunta sa spotlight, but definitely, you will have that spotlight kasi parang people will look at you. Anong ginawa mo? Napaka-amazing, kaka-inspire. And so when that time comes, just always remember that naging vessel ka lang nung results na yan. So doon ka mas magkakaroon ng humility kasi you are a servant. Kumbaga, hindi yan binigay sa'yo para to broadcast it and para, ito ka. Binigay yan sa'yo kasi resulta siya para mang-inspire ka pa ng mas maraming tao. So, the more na mas yumayaman ang isang tao, sa na-observe ko kung tama yung tao na yan, the more na yumayaman siya, the more na gumaganda yung pag-uugali. That's why when you meet, successful billionaires, multi-millionaires, talagang andun sa heart nila to share, to inspire, to build a legacy. And for me, that's where I align my heart with. Kaya para sa akin, wala pa ako sa sitwasyon para magmayabang. But the more that I grow, the more that my humility is calling me. Nung una, maingay kasi wala pa. Pero, it's very ironic na nung nagkaroon ka, tsaka ka naman tumahimik. And as you can see na, paano ka may humility? Bumili ka nga ng Lamborghini, ng ganito, ng ganyan. Well, before I bought that, I made sure that deserve ko siya. And alam ko na binili ko yon not only for me, but I know that it's gonna be a huge inspiration to a lot of people. Kasi I can still remember, nung una ko nakakita ng babae na nagdadrive ng sasakyan, parang feeling ko parang sobrang astig, amazing, wow. And it inspired me as a kid. As a little girl, na-inspire ako nung meron ako nakita na babaeng nagdadrive ng sasakyan. It really inspired me, knowing, sabi ng sister ko, yung mommy ko is one of the few lady drivers na may own car daw sa Manila. So nakakatuwa na, ganun pala si mommy. So parang nakakatuwa din siya na if mommy is inspiring a lot, I know that I can inspire as well. So I think I got it from her. And at the same time, really a fan of sports cars because pag dumadaan yung kotse, it gives light to my face na parang, naalala ko ulit yung pangarap ko, and I know it can inspire a lot of people. By seeing me driving the car, it can inspire a lot of people. And it's always that What's the purpose behind every success? What's the reason behind every move? If you know that your heart is full of good intentions, definitely God will bless you a lot of results in your life.
This is Pearl Hong sending you love and light.